Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am in my Hobonichi weeks, which I use for work, and just a quick peek at my new leather cover that I bought off Etsy from One Leather Market BC from Ukraine. And oh, it's just so lovely and soft, and I mean it will easily scratch up, but I think that's just gonna add so much character. I haven't done a review on this and I don't think I will, but you will definitely see this in all of my Hobonichi weeks plan with me's going forward. But it is just beautiful. All right, so for this week, let's move this over. For the week of January 24th through to the 31st. Goodness, last week of January already. I don't have a kit for this. I went through my sticker stash and I found these stickers from Together with KX. She's actually a Canadian sticker shop based in the same city that I am in, Edmonton, Alberta. And she has these beautiful hand-drawn images, and I thought, what better way to use them than this week? Let's get started. Okay, so what I like about these stickers is that there's a selection of like stuff from home or relaxing, but the general color scheme is like they all match really, really well. So let's see. I mean, there's that stuff that I think what I'm gonna do is do a lot of the plants and the coffee, definitely the coffee for work. And a lot of the books and a few of the plants. I think that is a good way to go. So I feel like I need to put these here so I can just look at them all at the same time. And I've got these different washi here. This is from the Happy Planner. I got this at the washi tape shop, and this is from According to Ali, and I think they would match so well with this. The pen that I will be using is my Sailor Pro Gear Slim. It currently has Diatramentus Document Black in it, but I'll also probably be using my Lamy Vista, which currently has Colorverse PSC in it. It's such a gorgeous green. Okay, so first things first. I want to put like a big one here, but what's big enough that still signifies work? I'm going to add this grid washi down at the bottom. I do love the grid washi, and I know for some people it's a bit played out, but not for me. There, work definitely needs a coffee. I know so far that doesn't look like very much, but it's a good start. Okay, so even before I do that, I'm going to draw the line down the middle. And this is my new ruler from Coffee Monsters Co. I love that rose gold, but I know it's probably going to do a lot of reflecting in the light, so I apologize for that. Oh, let's do that one more time. Okay. Then I'm going to place this washi on this side here, and I like that this is, what is it, According to Ali's Leafy washi. I love the way that she names them. It's going to go off to the other page as well, but that's okay. I'm going to add a little bit of that to this side too. Oh, I love it already. Ah, beautiful. Then I'm going to add some of these plants. Oh my gosh, I don't know what it is, but I love it. I'm going to add the grid washi here so it kind of balances out between the two. Oh, I love it already. If my voice goes in and out, it's because I am recovering from whatever Henry had. It wasn't COVID, he tested negative, but I'm recovering from whatever he had. There's books, and I want to place the book somewhere. And there's the plants too. Okay, I want to use which one? These plants. But I always feel like they should go in the middle or in the corner. But I also feel like I need to place books. So let's do, actually this one is the planner. And I will do some more washi down the middle, actually. I did that last week and I really liked the way that that looked. So washi down the middle. This one's not sticking. Or do something different. I'm going to put it down this side. And I think if I'm placing the stickers in different parts of the page each week, then I'm helping to spread out where the chunk of this planner is going to be. Because I mean, if you place the stickers in the same spot every week, you're going to have bulk in just that one spot, right? Whereas if you spread it out, it's going to help spread out where the chunk goes. If that makes sense. I can't believe I just said that. It spreads out where the chunk goes. Okay. You know what? Now that I do all that, it feels like a bit much. Like the grid washi, I think would have been fine. Okay. I'm not going to add any more of these stickers because I feel like I could use them in my journal, but also in my Hobonichi cousin. What I will do is add some green, and I think this green will work really well. So I'm going to just write the word notes. And actually, last week was the first week that I took enough notes that I needed to go into the notes pages in the back here. And then I'm just going to do this and this, and use my Tombow Fudenosuke pen, that's not it, to write to do or even just tasks. And meetings. All right, and then I'm going to go in and start writing all my meetings, and I'll see you guys after. The last thing I'm going to add in here is one of my readers' quotes. Not the just one more chapter, but the book a day keeps reality away. I totally agree with that. And actually, now that I put that down there, that's definitely going to block that washi. But I don't want to take away note space, and there's space here. So you are going right there. And I could have used the clear one, but I actually don't mind the white. All right, not too bad. And I actually only really used the 3 stickers from Together with KX, but I will be using the rest in my Hobonichi cousin, the weekly and the daily spreads. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. I know these plan with me's are very quick, but that's because I very much keep this minimalistic. I don't decorate with a ton of stickers. So I hope this gives you guys some idea for how to decorate your spreads without going, I don't want to say overboard, but not having to use as many stickers and still keep it really functional. Again, thank you guys so much for watching and have yourselves a great day.